Hi, I'm Marna and this is a Dolls Rescue channel. Today I am joining in with Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, who puts out a word each month, just a word, and you can do anything with your dolls that relates to that word. And this month is gift. And I started thinking about that. What could I do on December 30th with gifts? Well, I could show gifts or whatever. I had an idea. I love this doll community. I love that we all chat in our comments and emails and text, but there's so many ways to communicate with one another and build friendships. And I thought of something we could do to keep this going. You ever hear of the gift that keeps on giving? I had this idea, and 8 of us can do it. Darren and I buy these patterns in the fabric stores when they go on sale. I had this idea. I have 7 to mail out. I would be 8 to make this little skirt, this little skater skirt, and any top you want to go with it for your own collab on February 20th. But there's a twist. I've never seen a twist done in a collab before, but we can involve 8 more people. What I would like to do is have you make your skirt. It's a really simple little skater skirt. We did this last year. J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We did a fur trim something. Everybody had to do something fur trim. And I made this little skater outfit. I don't display Jill Frost in her skates because it kind of messes up her legs if she's on these full time. But I made these little skates with a little pair of cheap boots from AliExpress. Along with the pattern, we're going to send you a set of the skates, not the boots, just the bottom part, the blades. And you can use them or not, that's fine. Here's my idea though. We could involve 8 more people by everybody make 2 skirts. Send 1 to someone else in a Happy Mail. Now, I believe, I cannot swear to this, but I believe you can put a skirt in a card and mail it for the same 1 stamp postage to a friend. If you will send these out by February 8th, we can all do our collab and Happy Mail opening on February 20th. So you would have plenty of time. We're going to get these out to you as quick as we can. If you'll leave a note in the comments. And I just did a test. Now, you know, things change all the time, especially at the end of the year. But I sent a pattern. I can't add anything to that. Well, I might be able to get those skates in there, though, or the blades. I can send that anywhere for the regular postage, just like $3 or $4. So I can send this anywhere in the world, I believe. Now don't hold me to that, because if I get to the post office and it's $16, I have to abort. That's just too much. So let me know in the comments if you would like to participate. That would be 7 people getting the pattern. I'm the 8th. We would have the skirt made by February 8th, sending it out Happy Mail, so that on the 20th, we all show our videos, Happy Mail and the collab. And we're all going to use the same hashtag as we used today for Tammy, who will get the gift that keeps on giving, because in every video, she will be mentioned too. I hope she'll participate. If you have this pattern at home and you want to participate, just drop me an email at marna@dollsrescue.com and we'll get it all organized. The fun part is we'll all be talking back and forth about the pattern and who's in and who to include, and we'll list our names in the description with a link. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you, Tammy, for yet another fun month, and I'm going to do the gift that keeps on giving. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.